Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to AS Unlocker Solution. We are going to help you how to buy the Borneo Schematic Activation. Borneo Schematic is the hardware repair tool. It is the best and smart tool for repair easily. You can get the solution easily and diagram. It is the diagram and hardware solution diagram. It is the very easy solution for you. No need to use your headache or no need to use your brain. Very easily you can find your model and solution. Keep watching the video and we'll help you to know the Borneo schematic and how to activate on the Borneo schematic. Full tutorial on this video. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to the asunlocker.com. You can see that we are already on asunlocker.com. Click on the order now option. You can see here the IME service, remote service, and server service. To buy any activation or tool, you have to select the server service. You can see here the search option. Type here the any service keyword 3 or 2 digit only. You can see the service automatically Borneo. You can see the Borneo. We have typed the Borneo, just not Borneo. You can see the service list in here. You can see the service list. Borneo schematic 1 user 3 month here, 1 user 6 month here, and 2 user 3 month and 2 user 6 month. 2 user means at a time you can use on 2 PC. In the same activation, you can use 2 PC. One activation, 1 PC means about 1 user means it is 1 PC. You can use only one PC. Here is the 1 user 12 month and 2 user 12 month. 1 year. Well, at this time, if you buy Borneo schematic, you will get the 3 month extra for 1 year activation. I mean, you can use it 15 months, not only 12 months. We will buy two user 1 month. So we have selected the 2 user 1 month. Sorry, 2 user 1 year. We have selected the 2 user 1 year here, and you can see the quantity option, and you can read about Borneo schematic activation here. You have to create account from here. First of all, you have to go to the before Borneo order register here. If you have already account, so no need to register again. We'll start as a new. Type here as unlocker username. We are going to use the as unlocker team. Email here. We'll use our phone number here. Password here. We have to use a stronger password in here that we will only know we or user, not other. Same activation code here. To active your account, use here your activation code, or you can use it later. But valid length need activation for new user. So we'll order the activation quantity right in here. One, place order. You can see the server service order history. Order successfully placed. We'll check our order history. Order history, click and then select the server service. You can see the pending. It will be automatically in process and it will be automatically complete within 1 to 3 minutes. Just keep watching the video and stay with us. We will recheck our order history. From here we can reload the web, or you can click here and order history. Order history, you can see the order already completed within 1 minute to before the recheck. We have to select the code and copy the code and go to the sign up option and use here the code. Here you can see the verify option, robot plus robot verify check. You can see the completed sign up. verify your email. They said to verify our email. We will verify our email from our mail. You can see here the verification mail. We have to click on the activation, verify account, email verified. We can go to sign in. You can see our account. Every time they are verifying we are robot or man. Login success. You can see the double put. It is the double PC activation already we have activated. If we want to renew again, so we have to click in here and it will be expired. Then we can renew again. You can see the purchase date and you can see the expired date here. You can see the 3 months extra. Here is the May and here is the extra 3 months. August here. Thank you. And we will download the tool right now. Borneo Schematic. Here is the Borneo Schematic download link. Mega and Media File. Download from me. You can see the download success. We will open the tool right now. Go to open folder, Borneo Schematic, unzip the tool, install the tool, language, select the language, English, accept the terms and condition, next, installing the tool. Borneo opening. You can see the Borneo open successfully. And we have to log in our ID and password with username and password that we have used on the register time. Remember me login you can use, so no need to again and again use your ID and password. Click on the login, authenticating, redirecting, please wait, welcome. You can see the successfully login the Borneo schematic. You can find here the PC option for hardware solution for computer. Here is the mobile option. Here is the search option. We will select the mobile. You can see the solution. Here is the a lot of solution. Indian server, laptop, PC, monitor. You can see there are a lot of option. You can select server is Indian server selected automatically. You can see here the mobile firmware download. You can download the firmware free. I mean flash file. The browsing option. Mobile phone solution, system on chip, IC datasheet, and IC diode value. Mobile phone solution, select and select the brand. You can see there are a lot of brand in here. If you want to select which model, we can select our brand, Huawei or Samsung. We can find the Samsung solution. Samsung is the worldwide brand and available. You can see the Samsung, and here is the series A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. All series in here. S series is the most popular and demanding brand is S series. Watch here. S series in here. You can see the S, a lot of model S series. S25 Ultra, schematic, layout, schematic PDF. You can check one by one the model and solution, hardware solution very easily layout here. One by one, you can select the model and select the find out the solution. You can search here the find out solution also. We can go back from here again. You can see the solution here. Solution name also you can select the solution name, bitmap, diagram, hardware solution. You can see here the Alcatel, Motorola also demanding Motorola here. Yeah, a lot of Motorola model hardware solution available on the list. You can see Motorola diet solution here, hardware solution here, back cam, LCD light, LCD, MIC speaker, front camera, fingerprint. What types of solution do you want available here? Very easily you can find the problem and very easily you can solve this and you can be a smartphone repair expert. You can see here the diagram. Very easily you can understand. You can zoom here. No, very easily zoom. You can clear zoom also. Zoom is working. You can zoom again and again and all is clear on the picture. You can see here the diagram IC or parts name in here available. Thanks for watching my video and I hope this video will be helpful for you. You can understand the what is the Borneo schematic and how to activate the Borneo schematic. Keep watching the video on AS Unlocker solution and keep using the asunlocker.com and stay with us. Thank you.